CDC recommends wearing cloth face masks in public areas where social distancing is difficult to maintain. Example, grocery stores and pharmacies. Since social distance along with masks is mandatory, I will show you how to make simple yet effective masks with materials available at home. The first face mask is with old leggings using scissors. Cut off the legging from just below the knee. That's what we will be making the mask out of. Cut the corners of each end to make an oblong shape. This is going to make your ear loops. Put a cut end over each ear, making sure the material fits snugly to your face. The second face mask is with a cotton cloth and a pair of rubber bands. Lay the material out flat in front of you. Fold it from the bottom to the middle and from the top to the middle. Loop a rubber band around each end, leaving a few inches of fabric, so each side looks like a candy wrapper. Fold the sides over the band so they meet in the middle and tuck them together. Hook the rubber bands over your ears and adjust the fabric so it's snug against your face but not too tight. Please stay home and stay safe. Thanks for watching!